My name is Jeremiah Ibunem, one of the support technicians for this project. So here we are done with the base for the 60 kilowatts EV charger, and we are done with the base also for the 40 kilowatts EV charger. From the last report that was given, we just did the excavation, but now we are done with that. So we are doing the backfilling. Then once the charger gets here, it is just for us to terminate and also terminate from the powerhouse. So that's just all. That's we are done.
Okay. So the cable has been connected directly from the powerhouse to the source here, right?
No, it has not been connected yet.
Okay.
So it is when the charger comes in that we terminate it. Then we will now do the final termination from the powerhouse.
Oh, okay. So for now, I could see that we have some cables here.
Yes.
So what are these cables for?
That is the power cable.
Oh, the power cable.
To power the EV chargers.
Oh, okay.
This is our 50 mm 4-core armored cable.
Okay. So how is the electricity going to be generated to the charger?
As I said, that the power is to be taken from the powerhouse. So from the powerhouse, it is routed here. So this is where we do the termination for the charger. So once it is done, then we go over to the powerhouse to do the final termination.
Okay.
And the EV is
the charger is ready.
Yes.
Okay, no problem. Thank you very much.